mysterious division of Google's game consoles hired a virtual reality leader, Richard Marks, whose previous work includes the design of PlayStation VR hardware. Marks had been with Sony since 1999, working in his Magic Lab department, dedicated to new technologies. His work has included PlayStation Move, EyeToy and other experimental projects that Marks once described as standing in the sky. He will be teaming up with former Sony man, Phil Harrison, who announced he was joining Google's Advanced Technology and Projects team in January. Little is known about the Google console, which is rumored to be a piece of hardware dedicated to the transmission of games. It is said that the project is called Yeti. In a statement, Google said, "It is at the intersection of science and application, where our goal is to solve important problems and close the gap between what is and what is." We are very excited about Richard joining the team and we look forward to your contributions.